Okay, now this question scuppers people time after time in the exams. So in 1 minute, we're going to go through how to find out what angle X is and then Y. Now, what we've got here is we've got two parallel lines because we've got the two arrows here, which means they're parallel. Now, if they're parallel lines, if we find a Z anywhere, like this one here, where the top and the bottom of the Zs are parallel, then this one is going to be the same as this one. So this one here is going to be 39 degrees, and that's because they're Z angles. But we can't say Z angles anymore. We've got to use the phrase alternate angles. So if you've got a Z angle, that is what we call an alternate or an alternate angle. Now, if we've got an X here, let's use different, let's use green. If we've got an X here, then this angle is going to be the same as this angle. So that's going to be 87 degrees. Now, usually, if we write in 87 degrees as this one here, we've got to justify Y. And that's because these two are vertically opposite. So that is an X angle. So now what we've got is we've got three angles in a triangle. So angles in a triangle always add up to 180. So 87 plus 39 equals 126 degrees. So therefore, this has to add up to 180. So therefore, 180 take away 126 is 54 degrees. So X equals 54 degrees because we've got alternate angles and vertically opposite angles. Notice I've also written down here corresponding. Sometimes you'll get something which has got corresponding angles. So if we take the same question again, we've got 87 degrees up there, we've got 39 degrees there. Another way of approaching this question is we've got a straight line there. Now, angles on a straight line add up to 180. So 39 and 87, as we said a second ago, down here is 126. So therefore, this one here must be 180 take away these two angles, which add up to 126. And that comes to 54 degrees. So therefore, this angle here is 54 degrees. Now, this is a thing that catches most people out. If you see here, we've got what's like an upside down F. And F angles, these two angles here, so these two angles here are going to be the same. And they're called corresponding. So any sort of F angles are called corresponding angles. That will come up in one of the exams this year. So please make sure you know that.